Hello everyone, so today we're going to be putting this tile on the kitchen. So it's actually this peel and stick. So as you see on the back, it has this kind of like a sticky surface that you can put it on the floor, and you don't even have to use the special tile adhesive that we're using. It's a Acryl Pro tile adhesive, which is really good with it, and it's a white color, and that's how you spread it on the wall. And you see, even a girl can do it, so you don't have to hire anyone. But on the wall you have to use the special tile adhesive because it won't stay on the glue that it has on the back. And that's how it's going to look like. You see, beautiful. And you don't have to hire a professional, you can do it yourself. So it's a very easy and cheap renovation that you can do it yourself, and it's very easy to cut it. You can cut it like with just a regular knife and then break it, and it's still very durable. Okay, so this is how we're going to cut this peel and steel tile. So you don't have to have a special tile cutter. You can use just a regular knife. Just draw a line with a regular pencil, and then you're gonna cut the line along the line, and then you can just cut it with your hands like this. Very easy. That's how you cut it. You can do it yourself. Alright guys, so we have finally finished our bathroom. So this is how this tile, which is actually peel and stick, look like at the end. And it's washable, and it does look like it's some kind of ceramic, but it's actually plastic. We didn't just glue it, we put it on that special tile adhesive, because otherwise it's not gonna stay on the glue that is on the other side. But look at this, how it looks. Gorgeous. So it's a very easy and cheap way to make your bathroom look so luxury and expensive.